How to use it, please follow me.
Put a little gel to the faceplate of probe. Press Power On button. Then, move the transducer slowly over the lower part of the abdomen to detect the fetal heartbeat. You can adjust the sound by operating the sound button. Tips of using: make sure the probe surface contacted with skin fully. Gel or water is suggested to put on the probe faceplate. Please follow below diagram to find a best position of the fetal heart.
Suggested time for pregnant mom to detecting fetus heartbeat: within 30 minutes after getting up, within 1 hour after having lunch, within 30 minutes before go to bed.
Thank you for watching. For more details, please read the manual.